Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Reedham. For those of you who regularly watch my channel, you will know that I often come down here to Reedham Riverside and just sit and film the boats going past. And at first it's just like any other day I would be here. But then all of a sudden things change. The police have arrived, the Coastguard have arrived, and I think the firemen in a tender boat. I don't know what they all do. But here you are. Here is the little boat about to arrive, and more right in front of my car. I mean, come on. How about that for a prime position? And I'm here before the boat, so you can't say that I've parked here on purpose. Naturally, a small crowd of people gathers. I stay in my car. I'm not getting out and being seen. I mean, the last thing I can do is get my camera out of the car, is it? I mean, you know the size of it. So I'm staying put. I'm staying in here. An item is taken out of the boat and thrown down on the wall here, the sea wall or the river flood wall. And a camouflage jacket, probably a fisherman's, blown in the river, but it seems that somebody reported seeing a body floating down the river, which I'm sure the jacket did look like that. So the policeman is just searching through the pockets and having a look for, well, who knows what. I don't know. And I'm certainly not going to get out and ask. The ranger boat has arrived now and she is waiting to moor right where this boat is. I think I need to say that the very fact that you're seeing this video proves that it was just a jacket that was found and there was absolutely nobody at all in the water. If there had been, I would never have posted this video whatsoever. None of it. So it is just a jacket. But great that everybody comes out in such numbers. I mean, there's lots of people here, but obviously I can't film them all and show you. I'm only showing you what's basically happening right in front of the car. But yeah, had it have been a different outcome, this video would not exist. So this little boat is off again, presumably to go and see what else they can find. And now the ranger can moor up her boat. 2 members of the Coastguard and 2 policemen who put on life jackets and they get in the boat, watched by their colleagues. So while they're away, I go back to boat filming, still from inside my car, which is why it's not crystal clear, because I'm filming through my windscreen. So there's all sorts of reflections. Several lovely boats pass by, especially this one. Look at that. It's probably the first time I've seen a boat carry its tender on top of the cruiser's roof. And eventually the ranger boat returns with the Coast Guard and the police. Reedham Riverside has a ranger here all the time, and he's now arrived to moor up or tie the ropes for the ranger boat. Now, obviously, for all of this footage, I've purposely turned off the sound because you can hear what they're all discussing, but I don't think it's right to share that. So I've totally muted the sound. I hope you understand. I continue to watch the passing boats, who of course are all naturally curious as to what's going on over here. So after checking with the drone, it was decided that it was just a jacket and no body was found. If you ever see anything in the river or the sea that you think needs checking out, always ring 999 and ask for the Coast Guard. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it as well. But that's it for today from Reedham. Thank you all for watching. I'll be back again from a different location very soon. But until then, take great care of yourselves, and bye for now.